Good morning, ladies. It's so gross out today, but I'll come and let you out. It looks like it's gonna rain all day long. You don't mind the rain, do you? You don't mind the rain either. I have to find a different book. That other the one I'm reading, You Called In Sick or You Called In Dead. It's too, I don't know. Makes you have to think too much, and I don't want to. I want to escape. So I'm going to find a different one. I'll let you know what I get. It's so wet outside. It's so wet. I got all this weeded down. The daylilies will come back because they're bulbs. I only cut off the tops. And the ferns will come back. There's so many. They look good. And this, I want to put something else in here. I got this done too. A big tree was here, so it's hard to grow things on here. They don't seem to want to grow except for the weeds. But the daylilies worked. And that mondo grass, I think it's called, with the purple flowers. Look, there's a there's a stalk of corn. Oh, look, it's got an ear starting. Oh my goodness. Huh. Look at that. Squirrel probably dropped it. Hey, what's up, ladies? I'll come and get your eggs and clean your coop. It's so wet. All right, my loves. This Spotify, it really knows me. All of a sudden, I was like, this whole playlist is just like my old Apple iPod that I used to run to. It's the same thing. I still have that. I think I have a plug for it too. Oh, what a rainy, gross day. We gotta run to Lidl because they have their chicken on sale. And then to Kroger because they have their ice cream on sale. We gotta get ice cream. And then I'm not buying anything for a month. It has been raining all day. The chickens already went to bed. It's only 7 o'clock. This poor girl has been stuck in the house almost all day. It's drizzling a little bit. Oh. I'm going to go shut the door so they can sleep in peace.